We are looking at the heat that continues. Our Trent Tower camera in Rockwall showing a temperature of 97 degrees. We've got a blue sky overhead, and our temperature, yes, today made it into the triple digits. Will likely be there again Wednesday and Thursday. Upper 90s likely Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we are looking at this anywhere between 1 to 4 degrees warmer than what's considered normal this time of the year. This type of heat is not that uncommon for us. We are looking at temperatures that are not too far off from the average high, the normal high this time of the year. What is going to be different in the next few days is how much our humidity is climbing, and that in turn will increase the heat index. So it'll feel like 102 tomorrow, but 105 on Thursday, 106 Friday, 107 Saturday, and 106 on Sunday. With added humidity at times also comes the potential, very small potential for some rain. About 10% coverage on Friday and Saturday. This will primarily be during the afternoon hours. And this is all thanks to where the heat dome is located. But our drought report right now does show mostly good conditions. We do have some drier spots between Canton and Mineola, but a bulk of the drought that we're seeing in the moment in Texas is actually in the Panhandle. And again, the rain potential and the intense heat all depends on where the heat dome is located. And right now it is across the desert Southwest, and it's going to hang out there for the next couple of days. I do think towards the middle of August, it's going to move closer to Texas, and that's going to really increase our potential for triple digit heat. But because of where it's located, we have the potential to see some rain, and right underneath it is where we find those excessive heat warnings and heat advisories. Meanwhile, Texas, we're actually not looking at too much in the way of any heat alerts. We're also not looking at too much in the way of rain. Any showers that we see across southeast Houston, it'll amount to less than southeast Texas, I should say. It'll amount to less than 1/4 of an inch. Same for East Texas. And again, the potential is just not very high. 80 degrees tonight. Tomorrow, a high near 101. And then we are looking at that triple digit heat continuing for us as we head towards the middle part of August. Morning lows will also be in the low 80s, upper 70s. And this is, again, all thanks to higher humidity. So be sure to check in with us because we very well may see some heat alerts get issued here in the next few days.